One of the biggest lessons I've learned over the last week of the 5 month challenge is no matter how organized you are, as you're doing things, you just get more and more ideas. And I think the hardest thing for me, I'm a visionary. I have so many great ideas and I just want to get them all done at the same time. And whenever something new happens, I want to do that as well. And I'm struggling just to keep to one thing. So what I am going to do now is just give you the whole summary of what happened from day 1 to day 7, first week of the 5 month challenge to get 1,000 people into the community. So first thing that we did is we launched something called a video scorecard, right? We uploaded, well, now almost 4,000 intro videos into the software. We've trained the software on how to analyze all the intro videos because we're getting 97% rejection. What does that mean? 97% of every intro video that people are sending is getting rejected because they're shit, right? They're terrible. So what we want to do is we are launching a community where we help people land jobs. So I am a recruiter. I have a company called Nomadic Closer. And what I want to do is try and help more people land more roles. Why? Because the more roles they land, the more we get paid. So what we want to do, we want to help everyone. Doesn't matter if they are a seasoned closer. When it's time to look for a new job, you need to have a good intro video. So we're launching, or let's say relaunching our old community into a new community, starting from scratch. I think we're going to be calling it Nomadic Closer Placement Accelerator. So in there, we now have 7 people that are paying, which is great. We want to get 1,000. We got 7 people. Not too bad. We are doing a 7 day free trial. Okay, so you can jump in, 7 day free trial. It's going to be $97 a month. And we're going to teach you how to do your intro video, how to land roles, what to say on the interviews, and then how to level up. Setter coaching, sales coaching, network coaching, how to make more money outside of closing and closing. But this community is also about giving back, right? How can we get together? How can we share and give? What does that mean? We also want to have meetups around the world where we do charity work. So something I don't always talk about, but I try to talk about it as much as I can, is we've built 78 houses, we've built schools, we've built libraries. The dream is to build a hospital one day, but I can't do that by myself. I want everyone to get involved and to be able to do meetups around the world and build together, give back, be in service to others. And on top of that, I am adding something in the community as well, where I want to teach people how I made over 400 grand last year just by doing one mastermind a month that took me 4 hours a month to arrange. It doesn't matter if you're a closer, setter, CSM sales manager, that's something that is going to be in there as well. What I'm still trying to work out is price points. At the moment, people are coming in, 7 day free trial, $97. I may do tiers where it's the $97 and then there are a few different upsells. Full transparency, one of the upsells will be a 6 week challenge to launch your first in-person mastermind. I'm still trying to work out the tiers. Now, if you guys come to me and say, don't up the price, just keep it at 97, I'm building this for us. I want us to build it together. So whatever you feel like you need, let's do it. Extra support. There's going to be health and peptides in there. There's going to be guest speakers. There's going to be so much. We have to charge something. If we don't charge anything, no one turns up. We want to charge something that you turn up, and we want to provide value. The more value we provide, the better you get, the more money we make. So it's a whole circle. But also as well, we added a 40% affiliates as well. So anyone that you get into the school community, you make 40% recurring as well. So that is the whole week. So we went from zero to relaunching to figuring out how much we were going to charge, what the lead magnet was. We launched the video scorecard. We charged $7 for it because we have to cover the cost of the credits. And then that's also a lead magnet. There's 2 ways. One is to go into our community. If you don't want to join the community in a 7 day free trial, you also can apply for a job. I think in the school community, what we'll have as well is the premium job selections as well. So when you are in the community, you have larger selections of job offers. But yeah, that is a week. I did expect to have more people in the community. I did expect to have a higher conversion. But yeah, again, we still got five months. It's week number one. 7 paying in there. Goal is 1,000. We'll see. Any suggestions? Let me know. Oh, and something else. I just paid a mentor to help me with my YouTube channel. So it was $7,800 4 month to help me with my YouTube, and their guarantee is I get 1,000 subscribers within the first 4 months, and hopefully each video from there will get 1,000 views. I think at the moment I'm getting 7 views. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but anyway, I'm doing this more for me. Like, if there's any value that I can provide, great. But I'm doing this for me, for consistency, for accountability. So I'll be posting every day. That is the summary of the last 7 days. So it hasn't gone as good as I thought it would, but we still got some more room to grow. Anyway, with that being said, on Thursdays, we have a live call on how to prepare for your interviews. And on Fridays, we have our recruitment pool. And then we have 2 roaster closers a month. If you want more information, reach out. I can send it out. And then from next month, we have a sales coach and a setter coach coming into the community as well. So way too much value for just charging $97, but we want to give it all away. With that being said, I'm actually going to give away the old Sales Academy that we used to sell for $5,000. I'll just give that away as well for the $97. Yeah. Anyway, ciao for now.